Introducing the all-new 2025 Renegade Explorer. Prepare to discover a carefully crafted recreational vehicle designed to elevate your traveling experience like never before. This RV is not just a mode of transport, it's a gateway to luxury, comfort, and adventure on the open road. Unveil the latest advancements in the 2025 Renegade Explorer, where cutting-edge technology meets extravagance. The redesigned door profile adds contemporary stylish flair to the interior, enhancing its sleekness. Inside, select between two plush wall vinyl color options that enhance both comfort and style. Updated faucets complete the kitchen and bathroom, seamlessly combine aesthetics and functionality. A fresh decorative ceiling addition infuses the space with sophistication. Practical upgrades, such as wider entry door, ensure effortless access, especially while transporting groceries or luggage. The Explorer now comes equipped with 600 watts of solar power via 3 panels, with an optional additional 400 watts for those desiring extra renewable energy. The living room sliding windows have been enlarged by 6 inches, allowing more natural light to brighten the space and offer better views. Lastly, the optional Starlink system guarantees high-speed internet access wherever your travels may lead. These improvements make the 2025 Renegade Explorer not just a vehicle, but an extraordinary travel companion. Experience the strength and reliability of the Freightliner Cascadia 116 single-axle chassis, the sturdy framework of the Renegade Explorer. This chassis is designed for optimal performance and safety, featuring an upgraded 320 amp alternator to efficiently meet all your electrical requirements. The new steering wheel airbag enhances driver safety. Additionally, the new Economy Performance package ensures efficient travel, enabling you to cover more miles with less fuel. With a formidable 20,000-pound towing capacity, the Explorer is prepared for any adventure, whether towing a car, boat, or trailer. Indulge at the impressive exterior of the Explorer, available in 7 refined paint options, including a vibrant new multicolor design in 5 dynamic colorways and 2 classic solid color options, allowing you to express your unique style. The Girard 2-stage lateral arm awning provides ample shade and protection, creating a comfortable outdoor living space. Enhance your outdoor enjoyment with the optional Truma portable cooler on a slide tray, perfect for keeping beverages chilled and within reach. Stay connected no matter where your journey takes you with the Winegard Connect 5G rooftop over-the-air antenna with Wi-Fi. For those needing even more connectivity, the optional Winegard InMotion satellite system offers uninterrupted internet access, ensuring you remain connected with the world. Remain comfortable in any climate with 2 15,000 BTU roof AC units, maintaining a pleasant temperature inside the RV even on the hottest days. The AquaHot 450D hydronic water and zone heating system ensures you stay warm on cooler nights, providing consistent heat and hot water. The 8 kilowatt Onan Quiet diesel generator provides reliable power for all your electrical needs, while the 2 330 amp hour AGM house batteries, upgradable up to 3 270 amp hour lithium batteries, offer extended energy capacity for longer trips. The standard 3,000 watt inverter with an optional additional 3,000 watt inverter supplies ample power for all your appliances and devices. The multiplex control system with a new Wi-Fi app allows you to manage all these features effortlessly from your smartphone or tablet, making it easy to control your environment. Enter the Renegade Explorer and choose from 3 sophisticated interior decor options, each designed to create a luxurious and welcoming atmosphere. The interior features solid hardwood maple cabinetry and 3 beautiful stain options, offering durability and style. Porcelain tile flooring throughout the RV adds a touch of elegance and can be optionally heated for additional comfort during colder months. Multiple furniture options, including comfortable sofas and recliners, allow you to customize the living space to your personal preferences. The Explorer's bathroom combines style and functionality. Enjoy a spacious solid surface shower with a glass door and an adjustable shower head. The solid hardwood vanity offers ample storage space and features a modern sink with new stylish faucets, ensuring your bathroom experience matches the luxury of the rest of the RV. The high-end kitchen in the Explorer is a chef's paradise. It includes an 18 cubic foot French door refrigerator, providing ample space for fresh and frozen foods. The recessed 2-burner electric induction cooktop allows precise cooking, while the 1.7 cubic foot convection microwave oven offers versatile cooking options from baking to roasting. This gourmet kitchen ensures you can prepare delicious meals wherever you are. Bring your entertainment on the road with the Explorer's state-of-the-art systems. Outside, enjoy a 43-inch smart LED TV and soundbar on a swing arm, perfect for watching movies or sporting events under the stars. Inside, the living area features a 50-inch 4K LED TV, offering a cinematic experience with stunning clarity and vibrant colors. The bedroom includes a 32-inch 4K LED TV, allowing you to unwind and enjoy your favorite shows in comfort. With unmatched power, safety, and comfort, the 2025 Renegade Explorer stands as a pinnacle of excellence in Class C motorhomes. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to provide the ultimate traveling experience, ensuring that your journey is as enjoyable as your destination. Choose luxury. Choose adventure. Choose Renegade RV. Designed for life. Designed for your convenience.